When it comes to building or upgrading your dream PC, the case you select sets the stage for everything that follows. The best PC cases do more than just house your components. They contribute to efficient cooling, provide ample space for hardware, and elevate the aesthetics of your setup. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best PC cases available on the market today, catering to various budgets and needs. Whether you're a casual gamer, a hardcore overclocker, or a PC enthusiast, we've got you covered. Dive in to find the perfect case that complements both your hardware and your style. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Corsair CARBIDE 275R, our pick for best budget PC case. Corsair's dedication to PC cases ensures it provides excellent options across all price ranges, from the colossal 1000D at the high end to more budget-friendly choices like the Corsair CARBIDE 275R. This affordable mid-tower chassis offers a sleek design that's devoid of divisive aesthetics, allowing your hardware to shine. With a full-height acrylic side panel, upgradable to tempered glass, the CARBIDE 275R lets you showcase your gaming rig's internals with pride. Building your PC is a breeze thanks to the large cutout on the motherboard tray, enabling easy cooler installation without removing the motherboard. This case also offers decent cable management and ample space for various all-in-one liquid cooling radiators. A power supply unit shroud at the bottom conceals the power supply and its cables, maintaining a clean build aesthetic. Available in black or white, the chassis seamlessly fits into any setup. However, note that the case includes only two basic 120mm fans, so consider adding extra fans if you're not using an all-in-one desktop radiator for enhanced cooling. One minor drawback is the absence of USB Type-C in the top input-output ports, which some might expect even in budget cases. Despite this, the Corsair CARBIDE 275R delivers fantastic value, allowing you to build a visually appealing gaming PC without overspending, giving you more budget for high-performance components. Number 4. Fractal Design North, our pick for best-looking PC case. If you're in the market for a PC case that effortlessly blends mid-century modern aesthetics with high airflow, look no further than the Fractal Design North Mid-Tower. This uniquely stylish case features wooden slats and sleek lines that make it a standout in any room. Whether you choose the mesh side panel or the tempered glass option, both versions deliver high performance and visual appeal. The North is available in two finishes: a sophisticated white with chrome accents on the input, output, and feet, and a striking black with elegant brass details. It might just be the most attractive PC case ever made, but it's not all about looks. The North is equipped with two 140mm fans and an included side bracket in the mesh model, allowing you to add another pair of 140mm fans for even better airflow. This design ensures excellent thermal performance, although it's worth noting that the additional fans can make the case a bit noisy. Opting for the glass side panel could reduce noise, albeit with a slight trade-off in thermal efficiency. If the North's design isn't quite your style, Fractal Design's Meshify 2 Compact might be more to your liking. However, if you want a case that complements your stylish living room furniture, provides ample space for storage, and remains affordable, the North is unmatched. We hope Fractal's daring design choice will inspire other manufacturers to think outside the box and bring more innovative designs to the market. Still searching for the perfect PC case? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Cooler Master Silencio S600, our pick for best silent PC case. If you're the type of gamer who needs total concentration, a quiet PC case is essential. Once your PC heats up and fans start running at full speed, your once silent machine can quickly sound like a roaring jet engine. That's where Cooler Master's Silencio series comes in handy, particularly the Silencio S600 Mid-Tower. The Silencio S600 may appear simple on the outside, but its interior is packed with intelligent engineering and high-quality sound dampening materials to minimize noise. While this usually comes at the cost of airflow, the S600 does a commendable job of moving air and keeping your system cool despite its silent features. However, building your setup in this case will require some careful consideration. You'll need to ensure there's optimal airflow across key components to keep temperatures down, which in turn helps maintain low noise levels. You'll also face a choice. Do you want to prioritize maximum silence and keep your PC completely sealed, or would you prefer a side panel to show off your high-end gaming components? The decision is yours, based on what balance you want between aesthetics and acoustics. In conclusion, the Silencio S600 offers a well-rounded solution for gamers who demand a quiet gaming environment without compromising too much on cooling. Just remember to plan your airflow and decide on your preferred level of visibility to get the best performance and silence from your setup. Number 2. Corsair iCUE H710X RGB, our pick for best full tower PC case. The Corsair iCUE H710X is a standout PC case designed for enthusiasts like you who aim to build high-performance systems. With the increasing power and heat generation of modern components, choosing the right case for optimal thermal performance is crucial. The iCUE 7000X excels in this area, offering support for up to 480mm radiators on the front and side, and up to a 420mm radiator on the top. If you're focusing on airflow, the iCUE 7000X won't disappoint. You can install up to 11 120mm fans, or a combination of 7 140mm and 4 120mm fans to ensure your components stay cool. The ample clearance it provides accommodates GPUs and CPU coolers up to 190mm and 155mm in length, respectively, making it versatile for various high-end builds. This full tower case is compatible with a wide range of motherboards, including eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ETX. Its design considerations make it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable and powerful system. However, keep in mind that this level of performance and flexibility comes with a higher price tag. When you're building with the Corsair iCUE 7000X, you're not just assembling a PC, you're creating a powerhouse that stands out in both performance and aesthetics. Whether you're a seasoned builder or an enthusiast looking to maximize your system's potential, this case provides the features and space you need for an extraordinary build. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. NZXT H710i, our pick for best PC case overall. Building a gaming PC today is a vastly different experience from years past, and NZXT's latest line of cases promises to cater to both modern and traditional needs. The NZXT H710i exemplifies this with a sleek design that incorporates contemporary features like RGB lighting, USB-C ports, and the option for vertical GPU mounting, offering you a next-gen shelf for your build. Tempered glass, a polarizing feature for many, strikes a harmonious balance between aesthetics and functionality in the H710i. If you value good looks without sacrificing airflow, you'll appreciate the spacious interior of this case. It includes a cable routing kit to help you maintain clean and efficient cable management, ensuring that your build looks just as polished on the inside as it does on the outside. The NZXT H710i stands out by seamlessly combining style and functionality. It avoids the overly flamboyant look commonly associated with gaming rigs and opts instead for a subtle, minimalist design. Despite its understated appearance, it's more than capable of housing a system that can crush Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K resolution. With its blend of modern innovations and thoughtful, practical design, the NZXT H710i offers exceptional value at a competitive price point. Whether you're a veteran builder or a newcomer, you'll find this case to be a solid foundation for your next gaming endeavor. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which PC case you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.